In this video, I will show you the easier way to tell if the water pump is working or not. To find out, you will need to put the washer on the manual test mode. If you don't know how to put the washer on the manual test mode, click on the link on the right corner of this frame and you can watch that video first before proceeding. Or just follow what I'm going to do next. Start with the cycle selector knob in this position. You will have to do what I'm going to show you within 6 seconds in order for it to work. Turn the cycle selector knob as follows. 1 click to the left, 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left, and 1 click to the right. All these green LED lights should be flashing on and off. If they don't flash on and off, you did it too fast or too slow and you need to repeat the procedure until you get it right. Assuming that you did it right, let's proceed. Next, you need to turn the cycle selector knob to the right until the spin and down lights are on. Then press the start button 1 time. Now the washer is on the manual test mode. To put the washer to fill with cold water, do the following. Turn the cycle selector knob 1 click to the right until the down light is on. Press the start button 1 time so the washer could start taking in cold water. Open the door on the washer and let it take some water in. After the washer takes some water in, press the start button to turn the water off. Turn the cycle selector knob to the right until the rinse, spin, and down lights are on. And press the start button to turn the water pump on. Open the door on the washer to see if the water pump is draining the water from the washer or not. You can also carefully remove the hose from the drain pipe to see if the water is draining out. Be careful while doing this, otherwise you're going to get water all over the place. If you don't hear the water pump running or no water is coming out, most likely you got a problem with the pump or an obstruction before the pump. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and I will notify you every time I make a new video. Thank you for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.